In this video, I will show you how to apply third-party icon pack to Samsung Galaxy phone running One UI. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. First thing to do is go to your Galaxy store. Now search for Good Luck app. Then install the app. Inside the app, you will see a lot of modules. What we need is this theme park. Now tap on this arrow button to install the module. Click Install Now. After that, let's go back. Next step is to install an icon pack. You can download icon packs from the Play Store by searching icon pack. Choose an icon pack. For me, I will just use this icon pack because I already installed this. When you open the app, you'll see the total numbers of icons and wallpapers. To install this icon pack, go back to your home screen. Go to your app drawer, then open Theme Park. Click Start and allow permissions. And here, click Icon. Tap on Create New. Next, click this icon pack button. Below, select the icon pack that you downloaded. Then tap on this button to install the icon pack. You need to input a name to your icon pack. After that, click OK. After the icon pack is installed, it will be available in here. Choose the icon pack, then click Apply. That's it. You've successfully applied a third-party icon pack on your Samsung Galaxy device. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.